Now, in spite of engagement in Pangyang So, proof that China can't be trusted. India Today has accessed nighttime exclusive satellite images that show that China continues its build-up in Depsang. The latest imagery shows additional structures, camps, vehicles and fencing near PLA's Tian Wendian post that is just 24 kilometers opposite India's highest airstrip, Daulat Beg Oldi in Ladakh. Indian and Chinese troops have implemented stepwise disengagement in eastern Ladakh's Galwan and Pangong So area, ending the long standoff between the two ground forces. However, the long-standing standoff persists at more than one location in the Depsang region of Ladakh. The latest high-resolution imagery has been captured on the night of 25th of February by a SAR commercial satellite of US-based space firm Capella Space. Now, Zojila Pass connecting Ladakh to Kashmir remains closed in winters for close to 6 months. However, this year, for the first time, the strategic pass has been kept operational for military convoys amid harsh winters. India Today's Gaurav Sawant brings you this ground report.
We are currently near the Zojila Pass in Kashmir. This is a very crucial pass that connects Kashmir to Ladakh. It's snowing heavily. The temperature about -8 at this point of time plummets to -12 at night. Amidst heavy snowfall at this point of time, we are at one of the main connecting tunnels of the Zojila main tunnel. Now, this tunnel, as you see all these holes being drilled in the rock face, this tunnel is about 1.9 kilometers long when completed, and it's likely to take about a year plus from this point to the completion. Military convoy crossing the Zojila Pass, and as you can make out, there's just been a landslide. The brigade commander's vehicle is coming, and extremely risky at this point of time to drive through this area, even as we try to attempt to negotiate this area. But as you can see, there's just been a landslide in this area. The effort is to ensure that by the 28th of February, this road is open. 20 वर्षों से जिस पुरुष के जिम्मेदारी आती है, उनका नाम है इनायतुल्लाह. वो मेरे साथ है इस समय. मूक है, बधिर है, लेकिन यहाँ पर उन्हें देवदूत कहा जाता है, क्योंकि वही है जो रास्ता हर वर्ष खोलते हैं. इनायतुल्लाह साहब, कितने साल से खोल रहे हैं आप ये रास्ता यहाँ का?
20 साल से.
20 साल से रास्ता खोल रहे हैं. तो कितने फीट बर्फ पड़ जाती है जब ये रास्ता खोलते हैं आप?
15-20 और
15-20 फुट बर्फ गिर जाती है और फिर ये रास्ता खोलते हैं आप. ऐसी परिस्थिति में आपको पता कैसे चलता है कि रास्ता कहां से जा रहा है?
इसको पूरा कंप्यूटर दिमाग जैसा है, पूरा पता है कि कहां से जाना है. इसको बताने का जरूरत नहीं है, दिखाने का जरूरत नहीं है. खाली इसका साथ साथ आदमी रखना पड़ता है, बाकी तो खुद ही देखता है कि कहां से जाना है. दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
तो क्योंकि यहाँ पर कई बार एक्सीडेंट हो चुके हैं, डोजर और टिपर खाई में गिर चुके हैं, लेकिन सबको विश्वास है कि तुला है तो रास्ता खुल जाएगा. कैसे?
ये बिल्कुल सही है. क्यों भगवान ने इतना सलाहियत इसको दे रखा है. जबान नहीं है, बोल नहीं सकता है, सुन नहीं सकता, लेकिन इतना भगवान ने इसको दे दिया यही सलाहियत कि ये पूरा देख सकता है कि अगर 30 फुट भी बर्फ होगा तब भी ये देखेंगे रोड कहां से है.
और कभी गलती
इससे नहीं हुआ है.
और हर साल इसीलिए आपका इंतजार करती है सेना, आपकी प्रतीक्षा करती है कि रास्ता आप खोलेंगे. तो इस साल दिसंबर तक आप ही ने खोल के रखा?
बिल्कुल, इसी ने खोल के रखा. लीडिंग डोजर यही चला रहा है.
लीडिंग डोजर
बिल्कुल लीडिंग डोजर यही चला रहा है.
इनके अलावा कोई नहीं चलाते?
यही चला रहा है, लीडिंग डोजर यही चला रहा है.
We've been stuck in an avalanche. As you can see, it's a massive snowslide that has taken place. The road was blocked. These are very heavy earth-moving equipment that has been brought in to clear this entire snow slide that has taken place. All vehicles, as you can look around, were trapped for several hours. Now, this is a huge caterpillar earth mover that's removing the snow. With us is Colonel Mukesh. Colonel Mukesh is the commander of the Border Roads Task Force here. Colonel, we've been stuck for several hours now. How long will it take now to clear this debris of the snow slide?
This is a caterpillar, and it's a, we call it a payloader also. It's a very high efficient earth moving equipment. It will do in minutes. In minutes this road will be get cleared now.
And there were two slides. We were stuck between two avalanches. Is there an apprehension as we move forward there would be other avalanches?
This vehicle has come down from the top, so it has cleared all the avalanches from at least Baltal. So till Baltal the road is clear right now, as of now.
Okay. So it's really cold at this point of time, below 10. I'm told it's still snowing and snowing very heavily as we attempt to get to that Zojila point with the border roads and also the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited equipment and men clearing this highway. With cameraman Satya, en route Zojila, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.